People have asked me, now that I live down here in North Carolina, I've been here a little over a year, do I root for different sports teams? Well, the answer to that question is yes, I do. It's different in each sport though. The Carolinas really don't have a Major League Baseball team. We can get to Atlanta in about 5 hours, Washington, D.C. in about 6, and Cincinnati in about 8. And I kind of favor Cincinnati of those 3 teams. So I still root for Philadelphia, where I used to live. I root for the Philadelphia Phillies. But I like the other 2 teams. In football, I stopped rooting for the Philadelphia Eagles a long time ago. They had a thing there called Hoogiegate. Now, for those of you that don't know what a hoagie is, in New York they're called Heroes. In Boston they're called Grinders. Down here they're called Subs. And on the West Coast they might be called something different, but the Philadelphia area calls them hoagies. It's a bunch of different meats on a roll with cheese and lettuce, tomato, hot peppers, and what have you. Well, apparently a fan had tried to take a hoagie into Lincoln Financial Field in its first year of existence, and was denied access. The old stadium, Veterans Stadium, allowed you to bring your own sandwiches in. But the new one was like, no, we want you to buy from us. We're not going to allow that hoagie in here. And oh, by the way, we don't have any water fountains in our stadium. But you can buy one of these. And news stations caught wind of this, and they did stories on it, and I'm like, okay, I don't have to root for the Eagles anymore. I can pick another team to root for, and I really did not find that other team. I thought I was going to root for the Baltimore Ravens, and it kind of jumped into Pittsburgh Steelers camp for a little while, and that isn't me. But now that I live in North Carolina, I can honestly say that I will root for the Carolina Panthers. That's a local team. In hockey, I still love the Philadelphia Flyers. I watch them every opportunity I get on the internet. But if I'm going to go to a game, actually attend a game, Carolina Hurricane. And I try to hit a couple games every year. Went to see him play the Philadelphia Flyers last year, and this year I'm going to go see him play the Ottawa Senators and maybe possibly the Flyers. Flyers come in November. The Ottawa game is tonight. So, yeah, I've become quite a Carolina Hurricane fan. Kind of neat because the Flyers goalie from last year, Brian Boucher, is now a goalie with the Carolina Hurricane. So one of these days you might see me, if I get a little extra money, sitting here with a red, black, and white jersey with this on it. Carolina Hurricane. I'll probably get the home jersey. Because knowing me, if I got that white road jersey, I'll end up spilling everything under the sun on it. So I was probably gonna just get the dark jersey. Now let's talk college sports. Do I like Duke? No. N-O, no. Duke is what you name your dog, not your college. I can't pull myself to root for North Carolina with their baby blue uniforms. I'm not into North Carolina football. I'm not into North Carolina basketball. So really it's two teams. There's two teams down here. The black and gold of Wake Forest. By the way, I gave blood this morning. And the red, black, and white of North Carolina State. The Wolfpack. Wolfpack, that's a cool name. That's a manly name, the Wolfpack. Compared to the Tar Heels. Or the Blue Devils. Remember, Duke is what you name your dog, not your college. Don't forget that. That's an important part of North Carolina sports. You gotta root for the right teams. And for me, it's Wake Forest and North Carolina State. And the Carolina Hurricanes. Thank you for allowing me to bore you. And have a great day. Bye.